I went for another Sunday reset with some of my friends, and here I am using the Honda CRF, also some of my gears from Ride Manila. I am using this helmet from Shot, paired with this goggles. It really looks so neat, lalo na it matches my hoodie from Imprint Customs. Since I don't need to bring a lot of stuff, I just carried with me my Kriega R3. Of course, I'm also using the Shot gloves para complete package na, kaso hindi nga lang nag-off-road. It's my first time using an enduro bike for a long trip, and nakarating kami sa Infanta. Umabot din kami sa may kilometer 90, where they call it the Little Baguio, and yes, marami ring nag-weekend ride kasi sobra dami namin nadatnan ng mga riders. Then, we also had some refreshments and pati na rin breakfast. It's really such a wonderful experience to bring this bike with my good friends Sir Jay and Sir Troy in the mountains and to take in more of this view. Maybe Philippine Loop na rin soon. This is Mike's. Bye!